Hello, I'm Dr. Pallavi Chetan Patil from Sarath College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Our today's topic is logical reasoning. That means mental ability based questions for competitive exam. Puzzle reasoning often features in entrance tests and competitive exams. Competitive exams like Bank PO, SBI PO, IBPS, RBI exam, MBA, MAT, MAT, CAT, IIFT, IGNOU, Hotel Management, SEC combined preliminary exams, that means staff selection preliminary exams, sub-inspector of police, CBI, CPO exams, railway recruitment board exams, campus interview test, etc. and many more, because logical reasoning is the basic for all. These are the most arrangement based or problem solving puzzles. Such questions intend to check your analytical and deductive skill. Here we have combined a series of different logical puzzles questions according to the level of difficulties. This set contains 10 easy logical and analytical puzzles with answers. So, we are going to start with our basic logical reasoning, which is based on the mental ability. And these questions are very important for every competitive exam. For 10 marks, even most of the time, logical reasoning will ask for half weightage. Okay, so let's start with very basic questions. Now you can read the first one. Which alphabet will be 14 to the left of 8 alphabet from the right in the following series of letters? Okay, here is the series of alphabets, and what is the question? Which alphabet will be 14 to the left? From left it's a 14, and of the 8 alphabet from right it's a 8 alphabet. Okay, now the what is the options for that? Okay, the first option is B, C, third option is Y, and the fourth option is P. Just think about this. Which is the right answer? 14 from the left. This here in yellow you can see the series. Okay, series of alphabets A, O, P, and many more alphabets. So 14 from the left and 8 from the right. So what is the right answer? You have 4 options here. Okay, the right answer is C. Why? From the right, we will count the 8 plus 14 is equal to 22nd letter. We get the answer is C. C is the alphabet, means second is the perfect answer for this question. Okay, you can count and solve these types of logical reasoning questions. Okay, now we can see the next one. Vritik is taller than Salman. Just read very carefully. Vritik is taller than Salman, who is shorter than Sanjay. Okay, you can write in on the rough page. Vritik is taller than Salman. Okay, who is shorter than Sanjay. Okay, after that, Akshay is taller than Shahrukh, but shorter than Salman. Sanjay is shorter than Ritik. Who is the tallest one? This is very easy question. Once you write all these things, you can find out the exact answer and the exact answer, or you can how this question will solve now. Final ranking of height in the descending order is first Ritik. Okay, and after that Sanjay is shorter than Ritik. It means Ritik first, after that Sanjay. Okay, and now if you write all this in descending order, then this is the descending order. Ritik, Sanjay, after Sanjay Salman. Salman is taller than Akshay, and Akshay is taller than Shahrukh. Hence, Ritik is the tallest. So your answer is Ritik. I hope you enjoy this series. Okay? This is very basic questions and you can solve very easily. Now the next one is our third question, and that third question is Lali and Anju are the married couple. Okay. Tanu and Munu, Tunu and Munu are the brothers. Both are the brothers. Okay. Tunu is brother of Lali. How is Munu related to Anju? Okay, I am repeating the questions once again. Read it very carefully. Lali and Anju are the married couples. Okay, we understand. Now, Tunu and Munu are the brothers. Okay, here is we have a two brothers. Okay, Tunu is the brother of Lali, and how is Munu related to Anju now? Your options is brother, brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Next one is none of these. If you write down very carefully and draw the chart, then you find the answer. Since Tunu and Munu are the brothers, yes, we have this sentence in our questions. Now, Tunu is the brother of Lali. Yes, here we write Tunu is the brother of Lali. Munu is also the brother of Lali. Why? Because we have a sentence Tunu and Munu are the brothers. Okay. Now, thus Munu is the brother-in-law of Anju. Thus, the answer is option 2, that is brother-in-law. This is very simple. You can solve such types of question very easily, and definitely I am going to say such types of question will definitely ask to your exams. Now, the next one is, okay, the next question is how many sets of two letters have as many letters between them as in the English alphabetical order in the world wristwatch? I am repeating the question. How many set of two letters, alphabetical letters, okay? Two letters has as many letters between them as in the English alphabetical order in the world wristwatch. Okay, just read the spelling of wristwatch once again. WRISTWATCH. Okay, your first option for this question is 1, second option 2, third option is 3, fourth option is 4, and fifth option is none. Okay, so you can see the exact answer now. Pair of ST has not in the letter in the word wristwatch as well as in the English alphabetical order. Likewise, pair AC have one letter between them in the word as well as in English alphabetical order. Therefore, we have two such pairs of letters. Answer for this question is 2. I hope you understand. Okay? Okay, we move to the next question, that is question number 5. Pointing towards a lady, Neeraj said, she is the daughter of only child of my grandmother. How is the lady related to Neeraj? Okay, I am repeating the questions once again. Please listen carefully. Pointing towards a lady, Neeraj said, she is the daughter of the only child of my grandmother. Whose grandmother? Neeraj's grandmother. How is the lady related to Neeraj? Your first option is sister, second one is niece, third one is cousin, fourth one is none of these. How you can relate all these things? Okay, here is the answer. The only child of Neeraj grandmother is Neeraj's father. Okay, how daughter of now daughter of Neeraj's father is Neeraj's sister. So the right answer for this question is the first one, that is Neeraj's sister. That lady is related with Neeraj as a sister. I hope you enjoy this series. Now the next one is Okay, this is very interesting question. Just read. If another meaningful word can be formed from all the four letters of the word next. Okay, each letter being used only once, then the last letter of the word is your answer. Okay, if more than one meaningful words can be formed, then your answer will be X. And if no such word can form, then your answer will be S. That is none of this. Okay, I'm repeating the question. Read carefully. It's very easy and interesting question. If another meaningful word can be formed from the word next. Okay, here we have a word next and we have to do some meaningful words from this N-E-S-T next. Okay, if your answer, see here, if your answer is more than one meaningful word can be formed. Okay, one meaningful word can be formed, then your answer, if you can make more than one word, then your answer is X. Okay, you can alternate the alphabets and make the words, and so no such word can be formed. Suppose you don't have any words, you can't arrange any word, then your answer is S. It means none of these. So N-E-S-T next. Is there more than one word? Yes, why not? Your answer is fourth one. That is none of these. Why? X. Fourth option, it means S. Okay, X. Why? Because we can arrange the alphabetically order and we have more than one or two words. The other meaning of word that can be formed like sent, tense, right? Here is the alphabets N-E-S-T. From N-E-S-T you can make S-E-N-T, sent, and T-E-N-S. That is tense. It means our answer is, according to the question, is fourth one, that is X. Now move to the next one. What is the question? Okay, this is very interesting question. Once again, what is the question? It's a question number 7. Plus or additional means greater than, minus or minus means is less than, multiplication sign means is not greater than, and division sign is here, it means is not less than. Okay, I'm repeating once again. Addition sign means is greater than. Okay, what is the next one? Minus sign means less than. Okay, multiplication sign is not greater than, and the division sign shows us is not less than. Now we have one equation, P minus Q minus R implied. We have options here. What is the option? Read question carefully, okay, and find out the answer. What is your answer? First equation, P minus Q plus R, okay. Second option is Q plus P minus R, okay. Third option, R into Q plus P. This is your third option. And what is the fourth option now? Q plus P divided by R. Okay, I am repeating the question again. Read carefully and find out the exact answer. Plus sign, it means greater than. Minus sign, it means less than. Multiplication sign means not greater than. And division sign means is not less than. So what is the exact answer for this? P minus Q minus R means P is less than Q, Q is less than R. This is the exact answer, and that related implies that this is the answer. P is less than Q, Q is less than R. And answer is PE. Q is greater than P and P is less than R. That is Q plus P minus R. So the exact answer is in front of you. What is that? Your answer is the second one. Okay, that is B1 means Q plus P minus R. I hope you understand these questions. Okay, what is the next interesting? Okay, this is another interesting questions we have. That is question number 8. If the second, third, fourth and eighth and ninth letter of the word contains, read the spellings carefully, CONTEMPTS are combined to the form a meaningful word, what will be the middle letter of that word? If you can make more than words, then just read the what is the answer. Just read the questions carefully. If more than one such a word can be formed, your answer is X. If you find out the more than one words, then your answer is X. If no such a word can be formed, your answer is Y. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, now what is the answer? Three meaningful words, that is from CONTEMPTS. Then three more meaningful words are here. Notes, tones, stones can be made. So it's more than one word. It means your answer must be X. According to our question, your answer must be X. Okay? It means your answer must be option number 1 is the exact answer for these questions. Okay? Now, we are moving to the next one. We have another question, that is question number 9, and this is an interesting and very easy question. Just enjoy this question. Some friends in a get together observe. Here are the get together and some observation from friends. What is they observe? What exactly the observations we have? The first observation is there are no students in this room. Okay, we understand. The second observation, there is at most one student in this room. Okay. Third observation, there are at most two students in this room. Here are so many observations, and the last observation, that is 12th one, is there are no more than 11 students in this room. How many students are in this room? What is the exact answer for this question now? There are exactly 0 students in this room. This is the exact answer for this question. I hope you understand. This is a very basic. You have to just understand the logic behind these questions. Okay, we are moving to the next question. We have a question number 10. Oh, this question is very interesting. You have to give me answer. Okay, in comment box also. Find the missing alphabets in the following series. We have one series. Just read it. O, P, T, F, F, S, S, E, and now the last one is question mark. It means we have to find out this question mark alphabet. Okay. What exactly the series we are showing here? It's not A, B, C, D or any word. But if you observe carefully, this is a series of numbers. O stands for 1, 2 stands for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a question mark. Obviously, after 7, 8, it's a 9. It means your answer is 9. Right? Read it. These are basically the first alphabet of the digital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When written in the words, thus the next will be 9, that is N-I-N-E, 9, 9, N. So the answer is N. You have to write down the answer is N. I hope you enjoy this series of logical reasoning, that is mental ability. Okay, and these questions are very important in every type of competitive exam. At least for 10 marks, logical reasonings will going to ask. So, if you want some more series, please give me comments for that. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video, and most importantly, carefully understand. Thank you.